Alright guys, Christian over at NFit Car Stereo. I'm going to go over our tweeter adapters today. We got a junkyard door here, so don't mind it being on the table with nothing on it because it's just for testing. So over here, if you look at the tweeter, it's kind of hard to tell, but if you look dead center right there, it's melted on, and then on the other side there's a little tab, melted, and there's a tab, and on this side melted. I think the tab is... Where's the tab on this one? Oh, tab's on the side, right? So as you can see, tab, melted, and then tab right there, and then melted. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to drill out this factory tweeter and show you how to install our tweeter adapters to put in an aftermarket tweeter in. Alright guys, I'm not going to lie to you. I usually just hit this up with some pliers and try to break it off. But because we're doing a video today, I'm trying to be civilized. So we're going to try to drill it out. Alright, so what size is this? This is a 1/4 inch drill bit. So we're going to see if we can just drill it out instead of fighting with it. So where the black bubbles are, that's Volkswagen, same thing. Melted it in. So we're going to drill dead center. And of course the phone rings. Alright, so that looks good. Alright, so let's try this one. What time is it? Oh, I still got to answer the phones. Let's see if we can get this done before. This is one of those ones. I don't want to do a cut because then you guys are going to think I'm lying. Yeah, it's already coming up. For you guys that say I should prepare for my videos more, this is why I don't have time to prepare. There you go. Beautiful. Drilled right out. All right, let's go figure out who's calling. All right, so here's what's holding up the whole project. This is why I had to buy a door. I needed to finish the tweeter adapter because the first one we did worked perfect. It just didn't fit perfect. So if you look over here, this is too big. So what happens is that this hits. So I had to actually cut this off to do the install. And it worked perfect. But I don't want to do that for the ones that I sell you guys. So let me go redesign it after I pick up whoever's on that phone. Alright guys, so we just finished our tweeter adapter for the front door of the Atlas. Pretty sure it works the same as the Tigger one. So it drops in right there. Since this particular tweeter has a lip on it, the tweeter adapter does not need a back. You just drop it in there. Whoop. Only goes in one way. Alright, there you go. So all you gotta do now is put 3 little dabs of glue in there, and then I hold it in place. And since it's smaller than the factory tweeter, you're not gonna have any fitment issues. Alright guys, here we are, next day. We got the rear door for the Atlas in. Now in this car they like to be fancy. They didn't give you the rear tweeters, but they left the space there. They just put a little cap. I actually usually just pop this out with a screwdriver, but because we're doing a video, I'm trying to do it the nice way. All right, so we're gonna do it just like we did with the front door. Just drill them out. 1/4 inch drill bit. That didn't go too well. Just be nice with it. You don't want to drill through your door. Oop. Woo. Whoa. Like I said, this is an eBay door, so don't mind me putting a drill on the door. Alright. That's that. All that is a little speaker cover. The holes are all there. You can put a tweeter right in the factory location. And guess what? The front tweeter adapter works on the rear door. I'm not sure why I had to redo it on the last car I did. I think we started with the rear doors and then we had to redo them because the front doors, they were too big. I think that's what happened. But anyway, this thing works. So I drop the tweeter in, squeeze it in, and then just glue it in place. I recommend you put a little glue on there. Don't melt the plastic. Because if you melt the plastic, it's kind of permanent. The glue, you can always peel it off if you need to swap out the tweeter, so you can reuse the post. Once you melt the post, you can't reuse it.